welcome to The Kitchen Chemist. I'm your boy, amateur pro home chef Nathanael Levinson, and today we're making a Levinson family favorite, what we call super broccoli. So what you'll need, broccoli, sesame oil, toasted, non-toasted, doesn't really matter, some sesame seeds, some ginger. I'm going to use ginger paste for convenience sake, but you can use fresh ginger or ginger powder if you don't have any fresh ginger on hand. We're going to need soy sauce of some sort and oyster sauce, and preferably fish sauce. The fish sauce and some of the other things I'm going to be using are optional, but you absolutely need to have oyster sauce and soy sauce. Soy sauce, easy to find. Oyster sauce, it should be in the international aisle of your local food store. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's sauce made from oysters. So to start with, we're going to get our broccoli, and we're going to just cut this into manageable pieces. I'm going to kind of cut off the crown here, and just kind of, I don't want too small pieces, but manageable. Don't throw this away. Once you've prepped all the broccoli crowns, let's revisit these bad boys. This stuff is perfectly edible. Okay, every part of broccoli is edible. Now, some of it has this kind of tough outer shell, so you can either slice it really thin, or you can peel it. So I'm just gonna kind of roughshod, just get most of the hard shell off. Now, broccoli is another one of the brassica family, so we're not going to boil it, we're gonna saute it, right? Remember, high heat is good for vegetables, especially the vegetables in this family, because they release those stanky sulfurous compounds, which will break down under high heat, but will not break down if you're just boiling. Now, while we're not going to boil our broccoli to cook it, we are going to blanch it. Blanching is basically where you take any vegetable, or, well, anything. You can blanch other things too, but primarily it's used for vegetables. You take the vegetable, you throw it into boiling water for just a few minutes, not enough to cook it, but what it does is it activates enzymes and color compounds in the vegetable or fruit or whatever you're cooking, and that'll lead to better results down the line. So it'll make your green vegetables greener, it'll make your colored vegetables more colored. The general blanching process is boiling water for a few minutes, then you dump it out, strain it out, and chill it. You want to shock it, put it in ice water or something very cold. You heat up the sesame oil, saute the ginger in there first, then you're going to add in the broccoli. Since the broccoli's going to be a little bit wet, it might take a little bit of time for that liquid to dry off. You need to turn the heat up a little bit. You're going to toss the broccoli around a little bit until it starts to char and brown, and then you're going to throw in about 2 tablespoons of your soy sauce, about a 1/4 cup of your oyster sauce, and I'm going to also add about a tablespoon of fish sauce and about 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. And then you're just going to saute that until it gets sticky, icky. Sprinkle with sesame seeds to get a little bit of crunch and last bit of flavor, and then kill the heat and you're done. Look, up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. So this is our super broccoli. Let's dig in. And you'll notice because we blanched it, even though we cooked it for a long time, it still kept that really rich green color. It's salty, it's sweet, it's nutty from the sesame. It's soft but not mushy because we blanched it, so it kept a little bit of that firmness. That is money, and it's super easy to make. You're welcome. Well, until next time, I'm your boy, amateur pro home chef Nathanael Levinson. It's super broccoli. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, let us know what you'd like to see on the channel. If you want to get in touch with us, we've got a Twitter at KitchenChemYT. We've got an email, therealkitchenchemist@gmail.com. We've also got an Instagram at KitchenChemistYT. So please, we'd love to hear from you guys. Let us know what you'd like to see next.